Question 7, a recursive rule for a geometric sequence is a sub 1 equals 6 and a sub n equals 1/4 times a sub n minus 1. What is an explicit rule for this sequence? Now my slide here is a little messed up, so I'm going to rewrite these over here. So a sub 1 and r, just like with arithmetic, we found the first term and we found the common difference. Now we're moving on to geometric. So these are going to be exponential functions. And instead of finding the common difference, we find the common ratio. So when they give us the recursive rule, they give us the first term every time. So we already have our first term. If you look at the recursive formula from our formulas up here, notice that the number out front of the parentheses, that is my r. This is my r. That's my ratio. My common ratio is 1/4. Since I have those two values, I can go ahead and plug them in to my explicit rule, which is what I want to do right here. This is my explicit rule written out for me. So a sub n equals, this is a sub 1, and my a sub 1 term is 6. My next blank here, that's my r. You can see that up here in the explicit formula, and my r is 1/4. This is my answer. So a sub n equals 6 times 1/4 to the n minus 1. Make sure when you're plugging this into the OHS that you use the template correctly. So you're going to have to use your little fraction button for this part, and then you'll have to use your exponent button for, and let me just pull that up quick so you can see that. So here's my fraction button in the OHS template. You need to use that to type in your fraction if you need to. And then right here is your exponent. So when you're typing in the n minus 1, you need to use this button so that it puts in the exponent correctly. If you don't use this, you're going to get the wrong answer. So make sure that you're using the template correctly.